As long as you're not stuffing your face, just keep on putting money in your savings account. Keep on putting that money away. This one's from Ida. Hi, Swole fam. My biggest problem when it comes to my fitness is snacking. My meals are locked down, low calorie, and often pretty healthy. However, when I tried a calorie counter for context, I noticed my snacking adds up to hundreds of calories every day. I'm literally snacking most of my progress away, and since I'm addicted to sugar, I have had a really hard time stopping. However, I have finally found something that helps me. When I get my master's degree, I have a dream road trip that I plan to take as a celebration of that. To save up for that and stop my snacking, I've decided to do the following. Every time I go grocery shopping and I'm tempted to grab unhealthy snacks and I don't take it home, I'll place the amount of money I would have spent on snacks in the savings account for that trip. So far, I have 65 euros in that account. That's 65 more towards my dreams and 65 more towards a healthy body. Very cool. That positive reinforcement. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. The problem, what you're going to start doing is you're going to start having cravings when you don't have cravings because you want to put more money away in your savings. So then you're going to get addicted to saving, which is fine. As long as you're not stuffing your face, just keep on putting money in your savings account. Keep on putting that money away. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good for you. Good for you. Positive reinforcement. That's always a good thing. That's always a good thing. It's the same as when you stack your habits and you have that little reward. So we've talked about a good morning routine be your meditation, your mobility and yoga, and then making coffee. So coffee after that can be the reward for doing your meditation, doing your yoga. I've done that for a while. It depends. Sometimes the order changes up a little bit. I've been focusing more on just working out right away because sometimes for me, first thing in the morning, if I wake up and I do meditation, it zonks me out and I don't get up and rolling. If I go there and I get up and I go and I sit down, it slows me down. I like to get up and pop. So getting up and just going right into mobility and going into a workout can be a good option too. But you use the coffee, you use that as the kind of like the trigger. Use that as the thing you look forward to. If you love your morning coffee, you do the couple things that you need to get done first, and then you treat yourself to that coffee. So it's a reward essentially, and it makes sure that you're doing these other things first. That way it creates that habit. It's good stuff.
That's a bed that you made. That's a bed that you made. That's a bed that you laid. That's a bed that you laid. What kind of game is you playing? We go hard in the paint. We go hard in the paint. What the fuck is you saying? I only go where they pay. What kind of game is you playing? Whoa, my shit is relevant. On topic, my melanin is popping. I'm taking skeletons on closets and making new deposits. I'm in my element. No ollies, you children popping.